Look at how they package this. Dun, da, da, da. Now, anyone that knows Jeffree Star knows that and recognizes that this tissue paper is basically all of his tattoos. I mean, look at this, guys. So freaking cute. Look at that. So I don't want to rip this seal, so I'm just gonna slide this stuff out. One of the items I already bought slid out. They gave a sample here. This is a sample of silicone free priming moisturizer. So this is what they gave me free. And then this is always sold out on Jeffree Star's website. And this is the breakfast at Tiffany's. And I know it's such a weird color, but I've been wanting to do for Halloween like a mermaid look, and I know this is gonna come out super cute, so I want to try this. So this is the lipstick. Let's take it out the box to see what it looks like. Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's just swatch it. Oh my god, it looks so pretty in the bottle. I mean, okay, let's take a little bit. I don't take too much, I don't want to waste it. Oh my god, and this looks so nice with my skin tone right now. And they say this is cruelty and vegan free, and it could also be used besides lipstick as a lip liner. Look at that, how opaque that is. My goodness, looks so nice with my skin tone. So I bought this, and then I also bought the lip liner in the same color. So this is the first time I ever try the lip liner out of it. There you go. Somewhere there you can see it. There it goes. I've never used any of his lip liners. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. I could just collect a shit ton of these. These are so freaking cute. And it has the little star logo. See that? And then it has the color here down on the bottom. So, is this twist or pull? I've never had one of these. It is. Oh, okay. It's pull. So there goes the tip. And I'm going to put it right next to the color to really see if they match. It's a perfect match. Look at that. A perfect match. I'm dying to try this on. So I'm gonna finish my makeup look, and the makeup I'm gonna use, I bought other lipsticks. Let's just go through all of it. This one is called Strawberry Crush, and this is from, which palette was this? I think this is the Jawbreaker palette. The one that I have that has the little sprinkles there is the Androgyny, and then the Jawbreaker is the one with the speckles. I think this was from that collection, which I think could have been Jeffree Star's last year's summer collection. Don't quote me, but I believe it was. And ooh, look at this color. Do you see that color? So freaking cute. I'm gonna put this right next to the blue one. Yes. You see, colors like this just look great on my skin. Look at that. Look at that color. Do you see it? That blue is popping. I'm just saying that. So this was Strawberry Crush, and then I think I bought one more. And this is also for the mermaid look that I want to do, because I wanted to do like 2 tones. And this one's called Huntington Beach. And there it goes. And it's a deeper blue. But I just fell in love with the color when I saw it online. I know it's not something like an everyday wear. But guys, look at this. Do you see that color? Don't mind my face right now, because I still haven't finished the makeup. But, oh my goodness. I'm gonna put this one here on the other side of the blue. It's like, as much as people dislike Jeffree Star, look at that. Do you see that? That blue is so nice. And those two blues are going to mesh well together. Because I want to actually use the blue not only as lipstick, but as makeup. So, you know, to do like little outlines and stuff. So this is going to look really good. We'll see how the mermaid look it'll go on when for Halloween, because Halloween lands on a weekend. And then the last thing I bought, which is from the, you see it's the same color. It's from the Jawbreaker. This is the mini Jawbreaker. So I bought the regular Jawbreaker palette back there, and I was like, oh, I really wasn't interested in the mini. But as I was reviewing it online, I was like, you know what? I do need it in my life. I do need it in my life. And let me just open this so I can show you the colors. I mean, the packaging is killer. Loving this like lime green kind of like 80s look. I'm an 80s baby, so I love bright colors. So this is the mini Jawbreaker. Let's take a sneak peek. Oh my gosh. It's these colors. Look at that. Do you see these colors? Let me flip this mirror all the way back. Oh, got out. Can you get out? I'm sorry. This is the Strawberry Crush. And let's try it out. Wow. This is really, really bright. But it looks so cute. Definitely feeling good vibes on this one. I love it so much. How about the eyes, guys? The palette. Yes. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel here on Instagram. I'm going to be starting or restarting my YouTube channel soon, and just make sure you give a nice big old heart, and see if you leave a comment down below. Bye.